So she cheated on you, huh? Let me guess. You're feeling crushed, betrayed, like your world just fell apart. Let me tell you something. Her betrayal isn't your failure, it's her loss. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll realize this moment isn't your breaking point, it's your breakthrough. First things first, let yourself feel the pain. That's right. Cry, scream, hit the gym, whatever it takes. But don't dwell on it. Because the truth is, this pain is the spark that can ignite a fire inside you. Think about it. Every great man, every legend has been betrayed, doubted, or left broken at some point. But you know what separates the greats from the average? They didn't let heartbreak define them. They used it as fuel. Now it's your time. Don't waste your energy begging for answers or asking, why me? Instead, ask yourself, what's next? Because the best revenge is not revenge at all. It's success. It's building a version of yourself that no one can ever destroy. Start small. Focus on yourself. Hit the gym. Improve your health and elevate your mind. Learn that skill you've been putting off. Chase the dreams you've been neglecting. And invest in you, because the stronger you become, the less you'll ever need anyone else to validate you. Remember, your worth doesn't depend on someone who couldn't see it. The real question is, can you see it? The man staring back at you in the mirror is the one who's got your back. You don't need anyone else to complete you. You're already whole. And here's the kicker. When you focus on becoming the best version of yourself, the right people will naturally gravitate toward you. You'll attract what you deserve. But first, you need to let go of what's holding you back. Let this be the last day you cry over someone who didn't value you. Let this be the first day of your comeback story. You are stronger than this heartbreak. You're more than someone's betrayal. So get up, King. Put your crown back on and show the world the man you were always meant to be. If this message hit you where it needed to, let me know in the comments. And if you're ready to rise, hit that like button, share this with another brother who needs it, and subscribe for more reminders of how powerful you really are. Now go out there and take back your life. Your best chapter starts now.